pure. When love is pure, contestant number 3, Francisco Galinato.
When love is pure, fellow Toastmasters, distinguished guests, area and division directors, good morning. Good morning. I think love is purest when you become a parent. My parents gave me love that I think I will never be able to repay. They educated me. They taught me things that I should know when to be the best person that I could be. They taught me things for me to survive all the trials and challenges that I may have to face while living in this life. They gave me love that I may not be able to repay, but I may be able to give love on someone else. May it be with my co-workers, my friends, and my other family members. Mr. Contest Chair.